to Learning PEARadise. And if you like our videos, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. The Learning PEARadise is the place to be. Play, explore, use art, and read. Come along with us on our learning journey. Play, explore, use art, and read. New videos each and every week. Play, explore, use art, and read. A is for art. Alright, you guys, guess what time it is? It's time to make your own snow globe. So, get your jar, your figurines, and let it snow, let it snow.
Hey guys, this is Learning PEARadise, the living learn law, playing, exploring with art and reading. And right now it's time for
art! So, whoa, what are you wearing?
I'm wearing winter clothes.
I said we're making snow globes, not going outside to play in the snow.
Well, I didn't hear you say we're gonna make snow globes.
Well, we are. Anyway, it is time for us to do art, and we are making snow globes. So, the materials are
Corn syrup, a spoon, a jar, glitter, and a little figurine.
So, we're making snow globes, and
and hot glue.
yes, and you will need hot glue.
You will need a parent by you if you're using hot glue.
Yes. So, let me tell you something about these jars, okay? So, we have store-bought jars. We have store-bought jars, but you can use jars from home that empty containers. So, here's a jar. But we're not going to use this because we have our store-bought jars. Also, if you can find any little toy or any figurine laying around, then you can put them inside of your snow globe if you would like. We got these from Dollar Tree. They're little fairy figurines. This is a beehive.
We have this snow globe, and it's a snow blizzard. You see all the snow?
And you're also going to use a spoon, a plastic one, because I know your parents don't want glitter on a spoon that you eat on.
Ew.
So you can either use a popsicle stick or anything that you mix it up with, but we're using a plastic spoon. Okay, let's get started. Grab your container, and I'm gonna open it up. Now, you're going to need to use your corn syrup, and you're going to fill it up 1/3 of the way.
So
now,
1/3 is like right here, right?
you don't know yet, I'll tell you. So Lauren doesn't know what 1/3 is, and if you don't know, let me tell you. 1/3 is a fraction. Fractions are what tell you which is like half or a quarter of a whole, basically. 1/3 means that 3 equal parts are filling up your whole jar. So if you had a model of a square and 3 equal parts, you would fill in one of those squares, which is 1/3. And that is what we're gonna do with our jar.
Can you get the corn syrup?
And I will pour your 1/3 for you. Also, corn syrup is very sticky.
So if you get any on your clothes, you better wipe that off.
All right, so that's about 1/3. Now, we don't really know exactly because it's not a measuring cup, but we can actually estimate. Okay, so now that we have our cup, we're going to fill them up with water, but only a little bit, not too much, not all the way to the top, but you're gonna fill it up with water, so.
We filled our containers up with water.
We are going to mix up our corn syrup and water. Oh, and if you go all the way to the bottom, you can feel the corn syrup.
It's like
really...
it's slime. Cute.
Now it's time for glitter. So, we have our glitter, and since I have a beehive, I decided to go with black and golden.
And so, I'm going to be doing green and pink, since I have a little tree that has green and pink.
All right, then let's get going. Now that we have our glitter in here, we're going to mix once more. Okay, now I got gold and black. Very beautiful color. Look at my spoon.
Beautiful.
Now that you're done with that, this is the part where you're going to need your parents' help. You are going to take your top and your figurine is going to be glued onto your top. So glue on the bottom of your figurine.
All over.
Okay.
Might have some strings, so you can just pull out. And then just push
Now
down
we're
and
just
wait.
going to hold it and just wait for a little bit because we don't want this figurine is floating in my water.
What?
So we're just going to hold it and wait for a little bit. So now we're going to do a snow joke.
Okay.
What do polar bears eat for breakfast?
Snowflakes.
Ice Krispies!
What?
Oh, what is it called when a vampire bites you in the Arctic?
A snowflake?
Frostbite.
What?
Do you have a joke?
Yes. What did the snow say to the girl when she left out from outside?
What?
Snow you later.
All right, I think it's time to put it on. You're gonna really want to tighten that top. You don't want it to get loose. Now time for the moment of truth. That will happen. The corn syrup is going to do that. And that may mean that you need to mix it just a little bit more.
And if it's
I mean, that means you need to put more water into it.
Ugh. That happened
This
with
is really sticky.
Ooh. Very sticky.
All right, let's pour a little bit more water in.
Got our water. And let's try once more.
And it's gonna be like that, and there has to be space there because you can't fill it up all the way. Now I'm just going to kind of like shake it. And here's your snow
It looks
globe
like
blizzard.
bees.
Oh yeah, I got a lot of bees around the beehive. I like this craft. You guys should try it. And also, this one is bee themed, so it can be all year round. And it's a snow globe, so it can even be in winter, which I really like. And we will see you guys next time. Enjoy your day, enjoy your snow globe, and we'll see you next time.
And go play outside. There should be a lot of snow out there.
Yeah, if you got snow, go play outside, and we'll see you next time on the Learning Paradise. Bye! The snow globe. We'll see you next time. Remember to check out our other videos on Play, Explore, Use Art, and Read. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy it. Remember to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.